and today we're gonna play Cat Bird. And I thought it was Bat, but it was Cat Bird. So, I was thinking about making this live, because this is a game that I never played before on my channel. But I didn't know how to do live. And can you guys tell me how to do live streams in the comments? Thank you very much. Now let's start. I think I'm gonna be good at this game or something, I don't know. Pixely, okay. Okay. Got level 1 done, I think. I don't know if that was level 1. Oh man. I'm bad at this. It's too high. There we go. Ooh, a key. Okay. This game is really addicting. I mean, it's good and all. I thought they were gonna die. Oh frick, I almost died. No, no. Oh my gosh, it's too far. I jumped too soon. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video and I'll unpause it when I get to the end and tell you guys how many tries I've been through on this part. Okay, I have an idea. I just need to get this other block. I don't know how, because I tried something over here. Let me show you guys. I tried something over here and it actually worked. Okay, I'm gonna have to like pause this video because I have to take a shower. So there'll be a part 2. Okay. See you later.